Hi, I'm Natalie from Hobbybase.
Hi, I'm Jo.
And today we're looking at the newest products to hit the shelves here at Hobbybase HQ. And today we've pulled in the new stamp sets from Phil Martin of the Sentimentally Yours range.
And we've also got the new range of dies and stamps from the Gemini collection.
So looking at the Gemini range first, and this is just a few of the items of this entire collection. We've got some sentiments and some stamp sentiments, and we've got some dies. Most of these are kind of festive orientated, aren't they?
Yeah.
But actually, Jo, you were saying that, you know, it might seem like it's a one-off, but these are investments for the future.
Absolutely. I mean, a lot of the sentiments you can use year in, year out, sort of throughout the year. For example, Snowflake Kisses would make a nice sort of a winter birthday card.
Yeah, that's that one there.
Yeah, and you've got sort of like the sending love again. That's sort of a very sort of general sentiment.
Yep. And then we've also got the other dies. You particularly liked the foliage ones, actually, didn't you?
I do, because you can use them for so many other projects. I love the foliage. I was drawn to this one actually because with the ivy. This one for a silhouette fairy card, you know, with the foliage hanging down, perhaps a stamped background.
Nice.
To make it as sort of difficult or as easy as you like.
Yeah, like that.
I really like this set. These snowflakes kind of shout out to me to make a little garland. You know, you can make them with your children. You know, they're nice for the classroom if you give them to the teacher or something.
Yeah.
All of these dies are very easy, sort of like run through your machine and pop out really well.
Yeah.
So they're really good quality.
Cool. And then we've got this last set as well, haven't we? So very
Yes.
much similar with more bits of foliage, but
Absolutely.
actually multi-purpose all year round.
I mean, again, for Christmas you can make a wreath with a lovely bow. Again, you know, these will go along with any sort of floral cards for the summer and the spring. And yeah, sort of the holly for the winter. Again, you can use these for birthday cards, and, you know, not just for festive cards. A great all-round product.
Yeah, lovely. So it is, like we say, we've been doing a lot of festive stuff at the moment. We've been doing loads of festive cards and festive products, but actually, like Jo said, these products are investments, and actually these dies and stamps can be used in a multitude of ways. And then with the Sentimentally Yours range, we've got 4 pieces to this range at the moment, both slightly different. So this one, Jo, what's the difference on this one?
This is a one-piece die. You can turn it over.
Yeah.
Which is great. You can either use it as a background piece for your card, or actually use that as the feature on the front of a card.
Cool.
Great for heat embossing. You know, all sorts of ways to make that and use that
And make the most of it.
Make the most of it.
Brilliant. And then the other 2 pieces in this range were separate sentiments. So these are particularly Christmas focused.
But again, what I see when I look at this is, for example, from our home to yours at Christmas, you could sort of mask off certain words. Again, make them use them all year round. So it's from our home to yours, which would be good on a new home card. And all you have to just use a bit of imagination, and you know, the world is your oyster with these.
Yeah. And actually this then becomes much more than just only that block to use. You know, from our home to yours at Christmas can become from our home to yours just with a simple bit of masking tape, which is our kind of tip of the day for you. That's it for this week, guys. We hope you liked the video, and you hope you liked the products more importantly. If you did, let us know. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with all of our future videos. And we'll see you soon. Bye!